4, or I got 4 from root 16.
Well, number 1. All right, let's look at number 1. I tried to draw it up here pretty similar to what you have. First thing I'm going to do, Willie. Willie, is your phone out after I just asked you to put it up? You got half your breakfast on your phone screen. Willie, you got a sheet? Yeah, I know. All right, so again, we're going to start with our center. Our center is over 3 up 1. Right there in the center. So from there, I know it's going to be x minus 3 squared. And it's going to be y minus 1 squared. All right, so far it's really easy. All right, so now from here, Allie, what I'm going to do, since my x is first,
Why do we put equal 1?
because your standard form of the ellipse is always going to equal 1.
Yeah, it's always number 4.
All right, so look, 1, 2, 3, radius, or sorry, I'm going 3 to the right and 3 to the left. Square that, you get 9 on the bottom underneath your x. On the y-axis, I'm moving up 2 in each direction. Square that, I get 4. That's all you do on number 1. So you guys do number 2 the same way. All right, so our center is negative 3 down 2. All right, so we start at x plus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 1. All right, Ariana, on the x-axis going side to side, how far am I moving away from the center? So 1 squared is 1. How about on the y-axis, how far up and down do I move?
5.
5 squared is 25. Really simple stuff there. All right, so that is your equation on 1 and 2. Let's go to number 3. All right, number 3 is already set up in standard form. 3, 4, and 5 are all in standard form. How do we know by looking at them they're in standard form? Because it says equals 1. It's already set up. All right, so Jason, what's my center going to be if I don't have any parentheses? Good. 0, 0. All right, so Hannah, if you don't have parentheses up top right here, it's just 0 on the x and 0 on the y. All right, so let's go to 0, 0 and put a point. All right, Hannah, you look underneath the x, it's got a 16. What's the square root of 16? So I go up, sorry, on the x-axis, I go right 4, and I go left 4. Okay? All right, Hannah, underneath the y, I've got a 1. The square root of 1 is just 1. So on the y-axis, I go up 1 from center, and I go down 1 from center. Draw your ellipse. That is how you do number 3 so far. Now we'll do the major and the minor. Question? What you need? Color pencil? Yeah, I'll bring some. You got a 1? All right, so Hannah, it's easy to count the major and minor, find the length of the major axis. The longer one is the major. That's 8 if you count it. The minor one is the shorter one, 1, 2 if you count it. That's how you do 3, 4, and 5. We did go over this. Really the stuff we did yesterday. All right, Hannah, to find your center on 4, I just flip my signs here. So I got negative 1 and negative 2. That's my center. Told you wrong? All right, so now I go to my center, negative 1 down 2. That's my center right there. All right, so to find out how far you move on the x-axis, glad you got your calculator in hand. Find the square root of 7 for me. Tell me what that is in decimal. Square root of 7 is 2 point something. 2.6. 2.6. All right, so on the x-axis, I got to go 2.6 on the right, 2.6 on the left. All right, on the y-axis, square root of 25 is 5, so I go up 5, and I go down 5. Draw your ellipse. Now we'll do the major axis and the minor axis.
So the x-axis
2.6 is what y'all said. All right, so on the major, I got 5 plus 5, that's 10. On the minor, I got 2.6 plus 2.6, I think that's 5.2.
Yeah.
All right, so y'all do number 5 by yourself. I'm waiting to help you on number 6.
I have no clue what I did.
Do I need to do
Yeah,
it?
you need to go.
All right. This is where you're going to have to make them equal 1. So Hannah, if it's got any number down here besides 1, you just divide everything by that number.
Oh boy.
Okay, write it down. So we'll divide everything by 24 on this one to get it in standard form. All right, so Ariana, 6 divides into 24 4 times, so that'll be x squared over 4 for that. And you see how I got 4? I just divided, 6 goes into 24 4 times. Simplified it. All right, this one, 2 goes into 24 12 times. That's going to be y squared over 12.
What would be x squared over 4?
Say it again.
What would be x squared over 4?
Because if you put 6 over 24 in your calculator and you hit equals, it's going to give you 1 over 4. So 4 goes on the bottom. I mean, there's an understood 1 there that you don't have to write down. That's how I got it. Just put it in my calculator. All right, so now, Ariana, what is my center on number 6? I don't have any parentheses up top.
It'd be origin.
0, 0. We're not graphing these. I don't know why I have a graph up here. All right, Willie, on the x-axis. All right, well, first of all, Willie, which one of these numbers is going to be the major and the minor? 4 or 12? Which one's going to be the major?
4.
Major means bigger.
12, buddy.
So 12 is the major. Willie, find the square root of 12 for me on your calculator. 3.5. Now times it by 2. So my major is 7. That's how you do it when you don't graph it. You can't look at it and count, Hannah. Take the bigger number, find the square root. That's 3.5. Now double it. Just times it by 2 and you get 7.
Isn't the 4 just going to end up being 4 again?
Let's see. Square root of 4 is 2. Double it's 4. Yep. Minor's 4.
4.
Length of the major axis is 7. Length of the minor axis is 4. Okay. So 6, we're good. Y'all try 7 and 8 now. Hopefully y'all can try them by yourself. They're the same type problems. Then I need to answer this.